you are having doubts, it's a very good start. It's a very good start. So therefore in Buddhist teaching we normally say, don't accept everything in the beginning, be skeptical, ask questions. If you ask questions, you will get answers. So it's not just getting answers from other people, but you can relate those answers to your actual life. Use your common sense also, use your thinking also. Then if it makes sense, you practice it. If it doesn't make sense, you don't have to practice. At the time of the Buddha, some villagers, they came to Buddha and they said, just like you, they said, we are very confused. Then the Buddha said, why? Because in our village, one teacher comes, he gives a teaching, saying that this is the best path, this is the short path, this is good for you. And then he goes. Then another teacher comes. He gives a different kind of teaching, which may not be similar to the one they had already. But he will say, this is the best part, this is the short path, this is a good path, good for you, so practice this. So all the teachers come and say things like that. So we are confused, what should we do? Then the Buddha said, you listen to all the teachers, but use your common sense. Use your common sense. Use your analytical power. So it's always important to, as much as possible. We may not be able to judge everything, but there are many levels and areas where we can use our, judging faculty based on our life's experience. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you.
Thank you.